There's a 2018 Chevy Silverado double cab, 41,000 mile, two owner in white. We got a little black accent on this one with a little bit of a lift as well. I believe it's 3 inches, 3 to 4 inch lift on this truck. Really looks good with the aftermarket wheels, blacked out badging and emblems. Good looking vehicle here. But let's just kind of take a walk, show you what we got. See, we do have the smoked high intensity headlamp pods. Like I say, with the black Chevrolet bow tie, black honeycomb behind the chrome bumper and grille. Also got a little bug shield there as we walk around to the side. Got big fuel wheels here, and I believe it's on 33.5 inch tires. So just want to make sure that's right. Yeah, 33s, 33 by 12.5 on big 20-inch fuel wheels, blacked out, of course. Tire depths is very good on this, 3/4 tread, I'd say. You also can see we have a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, really focus on replacing the wearables. You can find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of our cars. Taking a peek through the passenger side front seat, you see we have a manual adjustment on the passenger seat. Light gray cloth covered seating with offset white stitching. 40-20-40 split bench with a fold down console. On otherwise gray on gray dash and interior. See the door panel there. Let's go ahead and take a look at, you can see we have the books and the wiring connectors there for your trailer package. Also, we did a 4-wheel alignment on this vehicle, as you can see. We do have that mechanical check too. It's not in here right now, but it will. And like I say, it looks like we did a brake service as well as all the tires are about 3/4 tread. Taking a look through the back here, you can see it is a double cab, but you still have ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. Look on the back of the console there. I was seeing, yeah, there's the power outlet. You can see it down below. We also got the wheel liners on this front and rear, help protect the interior. Working our way around to the back. The longer bed here on the double cab. Also, you can see no rust or oxidation issues there on the frame rail. Again, all the fuel wheels are in good shape, not scuffed or scraped. Tires about half tread or better there. And you can see here we do have the blacked out badging and bow tie on the back as well. Do have the backup camera there. Do have a full-size factory spare. Also have the soft Tiger tonneau cover. Pull down this, you can see we also have the drop-in bed liner there, the rugged liner drop-in. It's well accessorized. Do have the mud flaps on the rear and the front as well. Plastic molded mud flaps. Again, all these fuel wheels in good shape. Tires all matched and are the same, and no rust on that frame rail either. Working our way around to the back on the driver's side. You can see it is a very clean interior. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. And then we'll show you here the front manual adjustment on the driver's seat as well. You can see all the floor liners up front also. We also guarantee 2 keys. See, here is one set that I have. It's got the integrated fob laser cut key. Also, we got the power mirrors, power locks, power windows located right on the door. Let's go ahead and jump up here. Start it up, show you the exact miles. And we got 41,805 miles on this truck. Let's continue the tour. We also have your dimmer here. Got your electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. Got your automatic headlamp controls. Stem to the left gives your intermittent wiper washers. High beams and turn signals. We got column shift with the tow haul and the ability to select any of the gears there in the center. Cruises on the left. Got your Bluetooth hands-free and your control pad for your center display here on the right. You can see 2-wheel drive mode, tire pressure monitoring, different gauges, tripometers, back to the digital speedometer. That can all be adjusted here with that pad. AM/FM satellite radio, as you can see here. Also, of course, the ability to pair a phone. It is not equipped with factory navigation, though you can get navigation turn by turn through OnStar. And then, of course, you have your messages on your display. Also got your analog controls for your climate, single disc CD, analog controls for your radio and the climate. We do have the traction control as well as the button for your cargo light. Down below is another 12-volt power supply. 3 cup holders here in the center drop down, and you also can see more connectivity, another 12-volt power supply, 2 USBs, and an auxiliary input. Here is your OnStar. All GM vehicles come with it. You also have flip dim for your rear view. We got 2 LED map lights here, and on your visors, illuminated LED style here for the driver's side, and I believe for the passenger side as well, as you can see. So well equipped, it's got everything you need. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Also, you can see foot pedal here for your emergency brake. Should have the very durable and trusted 5.3 liter Vortec V8 in this truck. Chevy's used it a long, long time. You can see it's very clean, very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Very well maintained by the previous owners. Good looking underneath. Go ahead and shut the truck off here. We'll get into the last portion of the video. Before I do that, we post the Carfax reports on our website. We also leave a copy on the dash. Now, this one has had a couple accidents. You can see moderate to severe damage, minor damage reported. Let's go ahead and take a look. I believe it was 3 in total. The first one here was in 3 of 19. Minor damage to the front, as you can see. The second one here was the little more major one. You can see here damage to the front, to the left and right side and roof. I'll give you the pictogram here as well, as you can see. And then the last one was again minor to the front and the 2 sides there, as you can see as well. So we are fully transparent. The vehicle has been, you can see all the different services and whatnot it's had, either at our Thomas Subaru Bedford stores as well as our own. But it has been repaired properly, but we do like to go over these reports with you. And like I say, you can look at them more in detail on our website. Now, let's continue the last part. Just to recap, I told you, hey, we got half to 3/4 tread on the tires, like new brakes. Also showed you the auto history report. Told you about the mechanical, the accessories. We got a 3 to 4 inch lift, 20-inch aftermarket fuel wheels, bug shield, mud flaps, and vent visors. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. I'm just going to take a quick little walk around here, show you any minor imperfections this truck may have. It is a used vehicle, but we typically only get the cleanest vehicles we can get. A little chip bearing the A-pillar. Little chip right there on the front door. So this part of a little stone chip right there as well. This part of the vehicle goes pretty quickly. We do have professionals come in, pull out any minor dents. We factory match, touch up any minor scratches. See no damage on the bedside or tailgate here, which is typically on a truck. Little stone chips right there where you will find the damage. This truck is very clean, looks good. Like I say, any body damage that was caused by the accidents have been professionally repaired. All the body lines are nice, straight, and clean. Got it back to its like new condition here. You can see there, good looking truck. Well repaired, even the bumpers, no dings or scrapes. Grill bar, no dings or scrapes, scratches. Little tiny smudge right there. And then the bug shield, I think, did a pretty good job, or at least I don't see many stone chips. A couple here, a few here. But all in all, guys, where are you going to find this truck? Double cab with a nice lift, some aftermarket wheels, nice white on black combo. I don't expect it to last long. If you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. Of course, you can always come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.